Hey, Dementia Caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're talking about your caregiver network. This is such a vital piece of the caregiving puzzle. You want to make sure that you have a caregiver network in place. One of the first things caregivers do, whether it's consciously or subconsciously, they start to do analysis. You start to analyze your resources and what your needs will be. And it could be from groceries to safety items to legal documents. But throughout the course of your caregiving, you will constantly be assessing what are the needs and what resources do you have accessible. This is something that will come into play when you're talking about creating a network because you can't take care of your loved one all by yourself. It's not possible. The beginning of dementia, when it's mild, it's not as demanding. And that's the perfect time to start to create this network. It takes a village to be able to take care of your loved one and extend their quality of life without sacrificing your own. So here's what you do. You want to make a list. Start with family and make a list of all the family members that you could reach out to. Then make a list of your friends and your loved one's friends. Make a list of any neighbors that might be nearby that you've known and you've trusted. Make a list of any coworkers who your loved one may have worked with and they may have developed a strong bond. Maybe there are coworkers you work with who have gotten to know your loved one and would be willing to donate some of their time. And then volunteers. It could be from a church, a senior citizen organization. It could be from any nonprofit that's in your community that deals with adult daycare or cognitive issues, anybody who may be able to assist you. And you want to compile this list. And those are going to be your resources. But then you want to look at what your needs are. So maybe your loved one only needs somebody dinner time, or maybe they need someone during the day because that's when your loved one is alone. So you want to figure out exactly what your needs are and then look at all of your resources. Next to each person's name, put down when you think they would be available. What you want to do is maybe have people come for either 1 hour or 2 hours and spread them out so that maybe your cousin comes every third week for 2 hours. And maybe your neighbor comes in every morning for 15 minutes to just make your loved one a cup of coffee and get them breakfast. But you can figure that out once you know what your needs will be, and then once you know what your resources are. For more information on how to do this, visit athomewithdementia.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.